Hi, my name is Dorothy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make pineapple upside down cake, which one of my mother's recipes that she had in her rotation. It was very popular in the 70s when I was growing up. So we're going to make it today. So let's get baking. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our pan ready. So this is an 8x8 baking pan. So we need a half a cup of packed brown sugar. Melted butter. I'm going to get all of that. And a tablespoon of the pineapple juice. And we are going to just get this all incorporated to make a brown sugar glaze for our pineapple. So we're just gonna get your brown sugar is sort of clumped up, just smash it with the spoon. And then we're going to put our pineapple in the pan. And you'll have to slice some of the pineapple so you get pieces in the entire pan. And I think I can get one more in. And then you want to put some maraschino cherries between the holes of the pineapple. And if you like cherries, you can put more in. And there we have the bottom of the pan is done. So now we have to make our batter. So I have my mixer here. You can either use a stand mixer or a hand mixer. We're going to cream the butter, a third of a cup of butter, and the sugar together. The bowl. And it's all incorporated. So now I'm going to put in 1 egg. And a teaspoon vanilla. Well, that is all mixed up. So now I'm going to put in the dry ingredients. So this is 1 cup of sifted all-purpose flour, and I have, baking powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. So we're going to put that into the mixer now. And then the last ingredient is half a cup of the pineapple juice that was from your pineapple. So this is what the batter looks like. And now we are going to spoon it on our brown sugar and spatula here to get. Okay, so this needs to go into the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. So all the cake is out of the oven, so we're going to put it on a platter now, invert it. So and it looks like it's gonna slide right out, but I have a piece of parchment paper. Oh, and the dish is still a little warm. Voila! So here is the pineapple upside down cake inverted. So I'm going to plate it up for you with a little ice cream so you can see what it looks like. So here is the pineapple upside down cake with some ice cream. It's great. Delicious. So please try it. You can find it in the Better Homes and Gardens cookbook. So take a little time and make some pineapple upside down cake.